Hey, seventh grade, how you doing? So we've been working on our genetics presentation, and if you've been sending me a copy of your whole presentation, not just a couple of the slides, thank you so much for following directions. Nice work. So we're on slide number 7. We're almost done with our presentation. In your works cited section, you should have 5 different websites for the previous slides. And today we're going to be working on our 6th. So, and we're talking about Punnett squares, which are a really important part of biology because we'll find out. So, I'm going to go ahead and just add a sentence starter. You can do this if you want to too. Punnett squares, I'm sorry, 2 T's. And then I'm going to use bullet points. And I looked up what's a Punnett square, just what our title was for our slide. I put it into the search engine and I got a lot of great websites. I really liked this one, scienceterms.net, not only because it had a simple way of explaining what a Punnett square was, but it also had a lot of pictures that I could use in my presentation. So right here, I love this paragraph, and I think I'm going to break it up for my bullet points. So I'm going to Control C, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in here. Punnett squares. And then backspace, do some continuation dots. A tool used by geneticists to determine the probability of traits in an offspring from 2 mating individuals. The letters within the Punnett square indicate alleles of certain genes. Press enter in the sentence. The simplest Punnett squares analyzes the outcome of a single gene, but more complex Punnett squares can add any number of genes. All right, so I have my 3 bullet points there. It explains what Punnett squares are and what they do. I'm going to put my quotation marks on here because these are not my words. And I'm going to cite my evidence up at the top by doing Shift 9. This is my 6th website that I've used, so 6, and then Shift 0. Now, before anything else happens, I'm going to come to my works cited section. I'm going to press enter so that I get a number 6 for my points, and I'm going to make sure that I cite this evidence. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. Now, when people see a 6 on my works cited and they see my slide, they know that this is where the information came from. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my text box a little bit shorter right here, and I'm going to move it up because I want to get some great pictures in here, and I saw some on this website. Now, I'm going to be using this website to get my pictures, so I can copy this again, and I can paste it in here. And once I change the size of this text box and move it to the bottom, I just have to write retrieved from. And now my pictures are cited. Let me fix the spelling on this. Thank you, Google. All right, so now let's take a look at some of these pictures. Oh, sorry. I love this one. Copy this image and paste it. I think I can fit it right in there. Perfect. And then I like some of the other pictures that were in here too. Oh, this one I thought was really great. It shows the parents, it shows the chromosomes, and then it shows the results. So I really like this one too. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. And I might have to make my text box over here just a little bit shorter. All right, and there's our slide.